Before starting my month-long deep detox test, I'm going to be using 2 sheet masks a week and to see if I can hopefully clear up this skin. You can see I definitely have a lot of active acne as well as a lot of scarring on my chin especially, but it's really started to navigate up my cheeks and I get them on the temples as well. I think the charcoal and lemon juice will definitely do the trick. But yeah, here is day 0 skin. So I'll check back in after my first mask and then again in a week. I also heard if you pair it with a facial roller, it can really help penetrate the serum. So I'm gonna especially do a little bit of rolling on my chin, which is my problem area. I'm gonna use this small stone and just glide gently over it because I know with cystic acne or inflamed skin, you don't really wanna put too much stress and trauma onto it. Right away, I already really love how lightweight the serum feels on my skin, and I can't wait for my second one this week. I'm prepping my skin for mask number 3. I'm just using a gentle cleanser before I use the mask. But you can just see even already, a lot of my pre-existing acne has kind of just like chilled out. My skin is just maintaining a glow through the week really well. And what I'm excited to see is that like not a lot of new growth has happened. Already the month hasn't even really begun and I'm seeing a lot of change already in the texture of my skin. Okay, it is my last week doing Deep Detox, my full month treatment, but I already ordered some more because I just don't want to stop. For tracking purposes, you can see here in the last week, things are looking a lot more glowing. I haven't even done the mask yet, but I think my skin is just thanking me for the consistency. Let's do it. Also, I don't know about you guys, but this is literally my favorite part. Everything that's going on inside because it's so juicy. Also, I'm getting so good at putting on sheet masks, it's not even funny. A little hack, I don't know if you guys have ever done this before, but I've been cutting right here very carefully because I have such a deep nose bridge crevice that I find it actually sits a little bit more snug on my face. So yeah, that's my little hack. Thank you. Okay, I mean, we're looking good. But seriously, after 4 weeks, look how dewy my skin is. Skin has bounced back and it's so much healthier. Inflammation is completely gone. I can see my skin really healed. I mean, where's the scarring? So I would say after these 4 weeks, it's been quite a success.